So in this Realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to disable push notifications here on the Realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Realtor.com. Once that is done, go to the bottom right of your page right here and press on more with the three little circles. Press on more. Once you're on more, go to where it says settings and press on notifications. Press on that right here. Now for me actually right now, I have these turned off, so I actually do have them disabled. But for example, if you have once a day turned on, or as they come turned on and you want to change that, simply just go ahead and press on none, which is currently selected right now. Make sure the green circle is highlighted. Then if you were to go back and exit out of this, your push notifications are now turned off or disabled here on Realtor.com. So super straightforward, super simple. But this is how to disable push notifications here on Realtor.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.